Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today we're talking about neck pain and things that you can do that can help to minimize that. When we think about what happens with neck pain, oftentimes it's a loss of the curve in the spine, and it's from bad posture and bad habits. So if you're spending a lot of your day looking down at devices or sniffing the monitor and you've lost the normal curves there, the way to reconcile that is throughout your day to do something called the stargazer exercise. When we think of our ancestors, they would have spent a lot of time gazing up at the trees, at the clouds, at the sky, and they would not have spent as much time the way we do gazing down at devices. So to reconcile the fact that we're not spending our day the way our bodies were designed to, we can actually insert into our day what I call the stargazer exercise. And so it's simply taking your head and looking back and arcing back as far as you can so that you have a nice big stretch in the front of your body as you're arcing your head backwards. And then you just need to do that multiple times during the day to reconcile that. One thing that you can add to that is many times our shoulders also hunch forward. And so you can also just turn your thumbs outward so that you open up the shoulders as you're doing your stargazer. One other thing you can do is you can take a towel or a scarf and you can actually just pull it forward on the back of your neck, and that can be another way to stretch and take the pressure off, and you can move that right up your spine at different levels as well, and just angling it up 45 degrees towards the sky as you're arching your head back around it. So I hope that you found that this was helpful. If you're struggling with neck pain and you're wondering if we can help, we actually do have a new patient special running. So if you click on the link below, you can find out more about it.